I am really satisfied with my ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer. This thermometer comes with a wireless monitor that connects to your phone via Bluetooth and two probes. The cord is included to charge the monitor before use. To get started with this thermometer, you scan the QR code that's on the box to download the ThermoPro app. Then you compare your thermometer to your phone. When you open the app on your phone, you can see the main screen, which displays the status of each probe. There's also an option on the app to set a timer to alert you to flip, baste, remove the meat, or whatever alert you want to set for yourself as you cook. Here, I'm preparing to roast two chickens, so I plug the probes into the monitor and then insert a probe into each chicken. You can see the temperature of the meat on the thermometer as well as on the app. Now, prior to cooking, my chickens are 38 degrees and 36 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. Next, I'm choosing from the set of profiles to alert me when it's time to take my chicken out of the oven. I chose the poultry setting. You can also set the timer only to tell you when to remove the meat if you so choose, if you don't want to use a profile. Then you place the meat in the oven, close the oven door. The probe wires feed through the oven door without disrupting the oven's function at all. And what's really cool about this thermometer is that you can monitor the temperature of the meat as it's cooking without having to open the door, letting the heat escape. When my chicken's temperature hit 165, the alarm went off on both the monitor as well as my phone via the app, and my chicken was roasted to perfection. I recommend this meat thermometer 100%.